Subscribe to my.
Yeah, Spark the gang in the building. And today we're going to be discussing some of the products, all that more after the glitter. And as you can see, there's many different, however you want to call it. As you see, there's some of my previous videos on my channel. You get a kind of good feel for how. In the intro, they also do sublimation, rhinestones, clothing. And that's where we're going to stop for women's. I mean, there's so many things. The youth, you got athletics, elf, which is just the fleece, the hoodies, and the jackets. Oh yeah, by the way, district apparel. I love the quality. I love that it's double wall. They have a wide range of patterns, and that doesn't have a backing on it. It basically molds and shit. The neat thing about it is the knees have, it's a 6-panel, but I still consider it's a truck. Y'all seen many of my videos. You know I rock gray and black. So some of the products that they offer at Heat Transfer Warehouse are vinyls, and they have their own brand of vinyl, the Walla Cut Express. They also offer the Walla Glitter, the Walla Puff, and Walla Soft. You can get all of these at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Visit the affiliate links down below. So we're going to go over a few of the Walla Cut Express, the 5-second press that they do have to offer that I have available. One is the Sunshine Yellow, and they call it Lemon. 5-second press. This stuff's really amazing too, before I get into the rest of them. When I say this presses at 250 degrees for 5 seconds, it really does the job. The next one we'll talk about is the Walla Orange. Another flavor or color that they do offer is the Walla Express White. And once again, these all press at 5 seconds at 250 degrees. Tell me that's not a win-win. I know it is. Not only does Heat Transfer Warehouse offer their brand of vinyl, but they also offer other popular brands, such as the Caesar. This right here is the Rainbow Glitter. And as you can see, there's many different colors and sparkles and flavors. You know, I call the colors flavors because to me, that's just how I am, you know. And every month, there's a flavor of the month. Like, for instance, this month is the Lemon Walla Cut Express. Another color or pattern or flavor, however you want to call it, is the Caesar Black Silver. And this is nice. Pretty much all of them are layerable. You might have to do a lot of offset and knockouts. But if you watch some of my previous videos on my channel, you'll get a kind of good feel for how I do things. So, as I told you guys in the intro, they also offer clothing, hats, bags, and things of that nature. Well, I'm on the original Heat Transfer Warehouse site, and they have a whole bunch of little links that you can just, you know, pretty much go through whatever it is that you want. HTV, blanks, equipment, printables, sublimation, rhinestones, clothing, and that's where we're going to stop. So in the clothing section, you have, let's say, business outerwear for men. You have business and outerwear for women's. Shirt, tank tops for women's. I mean, there's so many things. The youth, you got athletics, infants, juniors. Outwear brand itself, which is just the fleece, the hoodies, and the jackets. Oh, yeah, by the way, this is where I get my hoodies at. A lot of times people ask, Mike, where do you get your hoodies? I get my hoodies from Heat Transfer Warehouse Clothing, and it's usually District Apparel. I love the quality. I love that it's double walled, and I don't have to worry about it looking kind of cheapish and getting those like almost cotton balls, I would like to call it, on there. So as I said, they offer a wide range of products if you visit Heat Transfer Warehouse Clothing. So we're going to go over some of the things that they do offer. They offer hoodies, like I spoke earlier, and they also offer t-shirts. Now, their company is District Apparel, and it comes with a tearaway tag, so you can brand it after you can make your own brand, essentially. The next thing we're going to go over are the hats. They have a wide range of patterns, different type hats. This is the Velcro edition, by the way. And they sent me the camouflage. They must know I'm a grizzly bear. flex fit. And that doesn't have a backing on it. It basically molds to the shape of your head. The 2110 fitted. It's another one. It's not a snapback or Velcro. It's almost like a fitted cap. The neat thing about it is in these, well, yeah, both of them, they offer the stretch fit. So it adds extra comfortability to your head. Here's another Velcro. Almost like a half, it's a 6-panel, but I would still consider this a trucker cap because half of it is netted. Another colorway, the black on white. And my favorite one thus far. And if y'all have seen any of my videos, you know I rock gray and black hats like the majority of the time. And this is also a flex fit, so this stretches on the inside for extra comfortability. So from hats, y'all, they got gym bags that you can sublimate on. Revolutionary product right here. I'm one of them people that carry 2 bags to work every day. And knowing that I could get myself a custom bag that I can customize with sublimation or vinyl is definitely a win-win. Check out Heat Transfer Clothing today, y'all. Quit slipping on them. So if you ever been looking for the perfect camping bag and you're going hiking or you're going to go sleep in a tent, for me, it would be more like a sports bag because I'm not going to sleep in nobody's tent and I'm definitely not going hiking. I'm going to just keep it a buck with y'all. But they also offer sports utility bags. And when I say these are good bags, they're great bags. The name of them is Ogio. O-G-I-O. And this is like the tote that I just showed you. This is more like a sportswear bag right here. And this is more like a backpack. All can be customized. All can be made to whatever you want it to be. A lot of times when school season's coming around, pre-COVID, I would decorate a lot of book bags for those that wanted their book bag to have their name on it or maybe a character on it. And I actually have some of that content also on my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, I offer plenty of tutorials, how-tos, the mistakes that I made, how I corrected the mistakes. So if you got a chance, stop on by, peruse through the videos. Shout out to Heat Transfer Warehouse for supplying me with all of these wonderful blanks to try to do something with. And I will be making content on that. What up, squad? If y'all got time, y'all please go check out the squad on Facebook. Like, comment, subscribe. We got 12 Gone Apparel on there. You dig. Say how you feel, because he gonna say how you feel. And of course, All Things Style, Jerome. Y'all go support the squad. If you need tips and tricks and you need help, we are there 24/7. We try to help as many people as we can. We also have Sell It To Us Saturdays and Workspace Wednesdays. But until the next one, y'all, I'm out.